one?
I
Yes. Which one? I did. There were Jesse's trash barrels, so I got them. Yes, it is that. He revs 212 the hard, like he's like the hard, he revs it the hardest than everyone else, like in the company. He revs it harder than like Caesar. Yeah, I can. Get over. I know you do. Ventura, but Kate Mario's got 96. Yeah. We'll go to the next town. Susie won't be here till like 12. I bet you got a struck back, so. But if not, if you didn't have a struck back, yeah, I would have given you 12. Unless it's in 205, then maybe. That'd be,
hate those barrels because they never open.
Well, those are sticky barrels, yeah.
Like, it's hard to put trash in, they never open.
Yeah, because they're always sticky.
They never take it open.
Yeah, so
So now you gotta put trash in.
I know, it's very annoying. How do you not have your recycler on?
I remember later when one of our neighbors only has their full out.
I know, that's so annoying.
Like, how do you not have your trash out?
Yeah, that barrel's always out. I still have to post my other ones. I still have like 10. I still have like 10 more videos to post before this. I have him in 212 doing Caesar's route. I have him in 212 doing Caesar's route, and I have Jesse, Waldo, Caesar, Jesse. A lot of Jesse and Caesar videos. Oh, whoops. Yeah. Those barrels suck. Both these barrels. Yeah, exactly. See, look, it stays sticky. That's annoying. The new barrels are also annoying to grab. They're hard to grab, but you get used to it.
I got used to it.
Yeah.
Take it out.
Yeah, watch, it still stays sticky.
Things like that, it's stupid.
It's sticky.
That's stupid. Yeah, that's stupid.
I know.
Looks so stupid. Then it'll open by the wind.
It'll open by the wind, yeah. I'll just leave it like that when we come back over.
See that?
street yet. Until Dad turns. Yeah, he only has his last two barrels. Yeah. Like 5 minutes. What? No.